Jai Hind friends. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you can get the notification. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button. This will keep motivating me to make these videos. In today's video, we are going to talk about a company which is a market leader of its sector, and it belongs to a very renowned group, which is Moragappa Group. This group has its presence mostly in southern part of India, and similar to groups like Tata Group, Bajaj Group, this is also a very renowned group and a trustable group in southern part of India. And here you can see the list of businesses that they have. They have total 28 businesses, and out of this 9 are listed companies. And if you are in stock market, you must have heard about these companies. Some of the well-renowned companies are Chola Finance, Tube India, Perry's, and many more. So today we are going to do a detailed analysis of one company out of this group. So let's start. So now I'm at the chart of the company, and current trading price is 879 rupees. And you can see it is currently down by 1.67%. If I look at 1 year return for this company, 1 year return has been 8.74%. And if I look at 5-year return, 5-year return has been 62%, which is okay, not very great. And if I look at maximum chart pattern, in maximum chart pattern, you can see the returns have been 9,787%. And this is also the same chart pattern, which is going from the bottom left to top right. Although it is not a consistent compounder company right now, because you can see the fluctuation. You can see this company gives opportunity. The current market cap of this company is 25,900 crores. It made a high at around 1,000 rupees and a low at 780, and its current stock PE is 12.6. So people who give a lot of importance to PE and valuation, then those people can focus more on this company, because as per the PE, this company is available at an attractive level. So now coming on to the positive points about the company. This one is generic. Next is company has delivered good profit growth of 26.4% CAGR over last 5 years, which is very good. And company has a good return on equity, which is ROE. And its last 3-year ROE has been 27.5, which again is a very good number. And company has been maintaining healthy dividend payout of 27.5, which again is a good thing. And company's working capital requirement has reduced from 720.3 days to 41 days. This also is a very positive point for a company, which means company is able to convert its working capital into revenue in these number of days. So the sooner it is able to convert it into revenue, the sooner it will generate profit out of it. And in the negative, you will see that promoter holdings have decreased over the last 3 years by 4.29%. And now I'm at the quarterly numbers for this company, and you can see that the last quarterly numbers were also very good. Sales were 8,310 crores, which was an increase of 64% on year basis. And if you look at its last quarterly results, you will see that the company is improving on its sales at a very healthy rate. And if I look at the operating profit for December 2021, operating profit was 544, which increased to 771 in last quarter. So from this result, we can see that on quarter basis also, company is able to increase and grow its sales at a very good number, and the profit is also increasing. Now coming on to the yearly numbers, and in the yearly numbers also you'll see that sales is continuously increasing. In 2022, it was 19,000 crores, which has now increased to 28,000 crores for the 12 trailing month. And profit is also increasing. It was 1,700, then 1,900, then 21, and for the 12 trailing month, it is around 2,892. Now coming on to the profit growth, you can see profit growth is also increasing at a good rate. For 10 years it was low, but in the last 5 years the company has been performing very well. For 5 years, 3 years, you can see profit has grown by 26 to 27% CAGR, and in the last 12 trailing month the profit has grown by 47%. And sales growth also has been decent. For 10 years it has been in single digit, but after that for 5 years, 3 years it is in double digit, and in the 12 trailing month it has been 60%. So in the last 1 year the company has performed very well. And if you look at the return on equity is also very good, around 25% range. And if you look at the stock price CAGR, the stock price CAGR has not been very great. For 10 years, the CAGR has been just 17%, which is not that bad, but not very great also. For 5 years, it has been just 11%, 3 years 23. So for last 3 years, it is still better, 23% CAGR return. But in the last 1 year, it has been just 11%. And I think if this company keeps on performing the way it has performed in the last year, which is an increase of 47% in profit and 60% in sales, then this company in next 5 to 10 years can give very good returns. Now coming on to the shareholding pattern, and you can see promoter holds around 57.41% share, and FIs have been continuously increasing their stake in this company, and DIs have reduced their stake a little bit. It was around 21%, which is now around 18%, so a dip of 3% you can say. So in DI's holding there is a dip of 3%, and in FI's holding there is a plus of 3%. So overall we can say the shares are moving between FIs and DIs, and the remaining is with public, which is around 14.34%. So nothing wrong with shareholding pattern. Shareholding pattern looks decent. FIs and DIs have good stake in the company. Now coming on to the company's name, which you all must have been waiting for. The company name is Coromandel International, and you can see that in the fertilizer industry this company is the market leader. However, if we look at the PE is still very low. So if this company continues to provide good growth in the profit and revenue, then there is a possibility, and the important word to note is possibility. There is a possibility that we may also see a PE expansion in this company, because currently the PE is very low. And if we are able to see a PE expansion in this company, which is a market leader in this industry, then we can look at very good return from this company, because the market cap also is still not very high. It is just 25,000 crores. And here you can see that this company is India's leading agri solution providers. It offers a diversified range of products and services across farming value chain, and it specializes in fertilizers, crop protein, biopesticides, specialty nutrients, organic fertilizers, etc. And company revenue comes basically from two segments. First one is the nutrient and allied products, which contributes 85% to the revenue, and the remaining 15% revenue comes from the crop protection, which is pesticides and all. And in the fertilizer business, you can see company sells various type of phosphatic fertilizers in domestic market, and it has 40% share in the unique grade of fertilizer sales in India. And overall, it is the second largest phosphatic seller in India and the largest single super phosphate seller with a market share of 15%. And it has a leading position in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and India's largest complex fertilizer markets. So from this area you can make out that company business is very strong. Company has a dominant position in the fertilizer business in India. And its second segment, which is the crop protection business, in this business it sells around 60 plus brands, and it is third largest manufacturers of Mancozeb globally, and exports account 37% of revenues of the business. And one more important point you can see about this company is its biological business. So they do research on compounds from plant extracts and microbial biopesticides, and it is leading manufacturer of this pesticide in the world with 65% export share. It exports to countries like USA, Canada, and Europe. And under organic business, this company is the largest fertilizer marketer in India with products for soil health, nutrition, and amendments. And company is also launching various new products. You can see here. Its distribution network is also very strong, you can see here, and it also has an international presence. It has presence in almost 81 countries worldwide. And in terms of the manufacturing capabilities, the company owns and operates 16 manufacturing facilities across India. Now coming on to the important part, which is the expansion plans. Company is also doing expansion, and you can see it is increasing the capacity from 1800 MTPD to 3300 MTPD and is expected to come on stream in FY24. So in the future also we can expect good increase in the revenue because of the expansion that this company is doing. So there are various positive points about this company. First is it belongs to a very renowned group. So from the promoter side we can be rest assured that promoter is not a chore. Second is the business of the company. The business is essential, which is fertilizers, and company hold dominant position in that business. Third is it is continuously increasing its sales and profit at a very healthy rate. Fourth is it is also planning on doing a lot of expansion, so the future also looks very bright. And fifth is that it is currently available at a very cheap valuation, and there is also a possibility of PE expansion in this company. And there have been some recent news about this company also. One, you can see that HDFC Securities have given a target of 920, which is fine. Brokerage companies keep giving buy and sell target, so we don't have to give too much importance to this. But let's open this article, which is Coromandel enters specialty and industrial chemicals. So here you can see that Coromandel International, leading agri solution provider, which is part of Chennai based 54,000 crores Murugappa Group, on Wednesday announced its foray into specialty and industrial chemicals, contract development and manufacturing organization businesses, and expansion of its crop protection chemical businesses. So now this company is also foraying into specialty chemical and industrial chemicals, which is again a positive news for the company's business. And they are saying that they are planning to invest around 1,000 crores over the next 2 years in the new business and leverage the macro tailwinds in the chemical sectors to build a business of scale. So they are thinking that there are good opportunities in the chemical sector in India, and that is why they want to capitalize on that opportunity. And you can see that the executive vice chairman of Coromandel International mentioned that since they are already into crop protection chemicals, this will help them in further having a strong position in the industrial chemicals and specialty chemicals. Now coming on to the chart for Coromandel, you can see that the company made a high at around 1100, and from there it has been going down, and 850 has been its important support. You can see that 3 times it has touched this support and has went back from there, and it is currently trading at 890, which is turning out to be a resistance level, because you can see here it was its support earlier. And currently from its top, this company is down by around 19%. If you can get it again at 850 levels, then it will be a good entry point. Or if you want, you can also wait for the next quarterly results, and based on the result, then you can take the final decision. But this is a good company. I think you should definitely keep it in your watch list and do your study on this company. And if you like the company, then do plan to invest only for long term. Minimum 5 to 10 years is what your horizon should be if we are looking to get some benefit or return out of this company. Please remember, these were all my views. Please do your own research and study also before taking any buying and selling decision. And in case if you have any question, or in case you want me to make a video on any specific topic, you can mention it in the comment section also. So bye for now. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.